Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Shraddha Pawar from Standard 2nd, subject English. Our today's topic name is cleaning up. In this lesson, we will see cleanliness, importance of cleanliness, and how to keep our house clean. Now students, cleanliness means what? That I will tell you, okay? Cleanliness is a state of being clean and free from dirt. It is very important to keep house to clean to remain healthy and happy. Now we will see in this lesson how to keep our house clean and neat. First of all, I will read this lesson and you all keep your eyes on your book. Are you ready with me? Okay. Our today's topic name is cleaning up. It is good to clean the house. It keeps you from getting sick. This is what you need to do. First, boil water in a vessel. Wash the dirty plates and cups. Wash the dirty clothes. Dry the wet clothes in sun. Do not put them on the soil. Sweep the house. Lastly, take a bath. At the end of the day, you will have clean plates and cups. You will also have clean clothes, a clean house, and a clean you. Students, I will repeat again for your better understanding. Our today's topic name is cleaning up. It is good to clean the house. It keeps you from getting sick. This is what you need to do. First, boil water in a vessel. Wash the dirty plates and cups. Wash the dirty clothes. Dry the wet clothes in sun. Do not put them on the soil. Sweep the house. Lastly, take a bath. At the end of the day, you will have clean plates and cups. You will also have clean clothes, a clean house, and a clean you. Students, today we read 3 new words in this lesson. Those are clean, boil, and dry. Students, repeat after me. Number 1, clean. Number 2, boil. And number 3, dry. Now students, we will see their meanings. Meanings of new words. Number 1, clean. Clean means what? Clean means free from dirt, marks or stains. Clean means free from dirt, marks or stains. Number 2, boil. Boil means reach the temperature at which it bubbles and turns to vapor. Number 3, dry. Dry means not wet. Understood? Now students, I will show you pictures of some new words. Number 1, boil. As you can see in this picture, boil means what? Just now I told you, boil means reach the temperature at which it bubbles and turns to vapor. Here you can see in this picture. Next picture is of dry. Here you can see in this picture, dry means what? Yes, guess. Yes, just now I told you, no? Meaning of new words. Yes, who will tell me? Yes, very good. Dry means not wet. Repeat after me, students. Dry means not wet. Now we will see sentences with new words. Number 1, clean. And the sentence is, I keep my house neat and clean. Next, number 2, boil. And the sentence is, we boil water to cook. Number 3, dry. And the sentence is, let the clothes dry in the sunlight. Students, like this you have to make sentences with the help of new words. Understood? Students, I will explain you our today's topic now. It is good to clean the house. Students, it is very important to keep our house clean to remain healthy and happy. Otherwise, we getting sick. So it is good to clean the house. Students, always remember this. We should keep our house clean and neat. If you all the family members share the works, it is very easy. It keeps you from getting sick. Students, in an unclean and dirty house, people are not healthy. For example, mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, and many other germs live in dirty places. So, that's why they will make us sick. It is very simple to keep your house clean. This is what you need to do. If you are getting sick, then how you will take care of yourself? First, boil water in a vessel. Students, if you are getting sick, then boil water in a vessel for drinking, as boiling water kills the germs in the water. Wash the dirty plates and cups. Students, as you all know, how your mama clean your house neatly. After eating every time, wash the dirty plates and cups. We should help our parents to keep the house clean. Understood, students, what I am saying? Wash the dirty clothes. After cleaning plates and cups, you should wash the dirty clothes. Dry the wet clothes in sun. After washing the clothes, you dry the wet clothes in sun every time. How your mama is doing these all things, these all works? Yes or no? Like that you also do. Do not put them on the soil. Students, after washing the clothes, you should dry the wet clothes. Do not put them on the soil. Remember this. Sweep the house. Students, we must sweep our house daily. We should never throw waste paper or rubbish on the floor. We should always use dustbin. Lastly, take a bath. After finishing cleaning work, we should clean our body. We must take a bath. At the end of the day, you will have clean plates and cups. And students, after cleaning vessels, you should keep you clean plates and cups in a proper way in your kitchen. You will also have clean clothes, a clean house, and a clean you. Students, after cleaning full house, you have clean clothes and clean you also. Understood, students? How to keep our house clean and neat very easily with step by step and with the help of our family members. Come on, students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Where should you dry the wet clothes? Students, and answer is you should dry the wet clothes in the sun. Just now we saw in lesson. Yes or no? Yes. Question number 2. What should you do after cleaning the house? Yes, who will tell me? What should you do after cleaning the house? Yes, very good. After cleaning the house, you should take a bath. Remember this point. Understood? This point is very important for us. After cleaning the house, you should take a bath. Okay, now next question number 3. At the end of the day, how should your house be? Yes, very good. And the answer is at the end of the day, your house should be clean with clean plates, clothes, and of course the surrounding. Students, you have to write this. Answer the following questions in your English notebook. Question number 2. Rearrange the words to make a sentence. Number 1. Clothes, dirty, wash, the. Students, you have to rearrange the words to make a proper sentence. Okay, understood? And the answer is what? Yes, very good. And the answer is wash the dirty clothes. Number 2. To the is it clean, good house. And correct answer, correct sentence is what? Yes, it is good to clean the house. You have to rearrange the words to make a proper sentence. Next, number 3. The house sweep. And the answer is yes, very good. Sweep the house. Question number 3. Find the opposite words from the puzzle. Number 1. Clean. And the opposite of clean is? Yes, very good. And the opposite of clean is unclean. Okay, now next, number 2. Dry. Opposite of dry. Who will tell me? Yes, from the puzzle already I gave you. Yes, opposite of dry is wet. You have to find it. Okay. Now next, number 3. First. And the opposite of first is last. Very good. Students, now we will see answers. Number 1. Clean. Opposite of clean is unclean. Number 2. Dry. And the opposite of dry is wet. Very good. Number 3. First. Opposite of first is last. Very good. Students, you have to write this homework in your notebook. Okay, understood? I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you, everyone.